Hello everyone, good morning and Jai Hind to all of you. So, last we completed question number 1 of exercise number 3.2. Now, move to the question number 2. Now, see the heading first. On comparing the ratios A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2 and C1 upon C2, find out whether the lines representing the following pairs of linear equations intersect at a point are parallel or coincident. ठीक है, जैसे हमने 3 केसेस देखे थे लास्ट लेक्चर. ठीक है, so first we need to find ratios and according to value of ratios we can see A1 upon B2 is equal to B1 upon B2 or not, and both are equal to C1 upon C2 or not. So according to that we can say that the given linear equations are intersecting lines, parallel lines or coincident, right? So first 5x minus 4y plus 8 equals to 0, and second equation 7x plus 6y minus 9 equals to 0. Okay, now so first find values of A1 B1 C1 and A2 B2 C2. See, see, A1 that means coefficient of x in our first linear equation. So A1 is 5, right? B1 is minus 4 and C1 is 8. Second linear equation A2x plus B2y plus C2 equals to 0. So A2 is 7, B2 is 6 and C2 is minus 9. Now first find A1 upon A2. So what is A1 upon A2? A1 is 5 upon A2. A2 is 7. So A1 upon A2 is 5 upon 7. Now second ratio B1 upon B2. B1 is minus 4 upon B2 is 6. Positive, negative. That means therefore A1 upon A2 which not equals to B1 upon B2, and hence we can say that the given pair of linear equations are intersecting lines. Okay, so intersecting lines because A1 upon A2 not equals to B1 upon B2, that means they are intersect at a point and there is a unique solution. Okay, now second 9x plus 3y plus 12 equals to 0. And second 18x plus 6y plus 24 equals to 0. Now, so A1 upon A2. A1 is 9, A2 is 18. So 9 2s are 18. So A1 upon A2 is 1 by 2. B1 upon B2. B1 is 3, B2 is 6. 3 2s are 6. So B1 upon B2 is 1 by 2. C1 upon C2. C1 is 12. C2 is 24. 12 2s are 24. So 1 upon 2. So you can see A1 upon A2 is 1 by 2. B1 upon B2 is 1 by 2. And C1 upon C2 is also 1 by 2. So therefore A1 upon A2 equals to B1 upon B2 equals to C1 upon C2. Right? And hence we can say that the given linear equations are coincident. Right? Now, third one. 6x minus 3y plus 10 equals to 0. 2x minus y plus 9 equals to 0. Okay. Now a1 upon a2. a1 is 6, a2 is 2. So a1 upon a2 is 6 upon 2. 3 2s are 6. So it will be 3. We can write as 3 by 1 also. Right? Now b1 upon b2 minus 3 upon minus 1. Again it's 3 by 1 minus minus plus, and c1 upon c2 10 upon 9. Okay. See, a1 upon a2 3 by 1, b1 upon b2 3 by 1, but c1 upon c2 is not 3 by 1. Okay. So therefore a1 upon a2 equals to b1 upon b2, but which not equals to c1 upon c2, and therefore the given pair of linear equations are which type of lines? Parallel lines. Okay. Now, number 3. On comparing the ratios a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2, find out whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. So as I said in previous lecture, consistent, that means it has solution. उसका सॉल्यूशन पॉसिबल है, इट्स एग्जिस्ट, बट इनकंसिस्टेंट. That means if the given pair of linear equations are parallel lines, so solution not exist. That means they are inconsistent, right? So first we need to check ratios. अगर आपका parallel lines वाला जो ratio है 1/a2 equals to b1/b2 which not equals to c1/c2 satisfy, that means inconsistent, right? So इसमें भी आपको same ratio find करना है. Number 1, 3x plus 2y equals to 5, and second equation 2x minus 3y equals to 7. Now a1 is 3 upon a2 is 2. a1 upon a2 is 3 by 2. b1 upon b2. b1 is 2. b2 is minus 3. See, a1 upon a2 not equals to b1 upon b2. So here a1 upon a2 which not equals to b1 upon b2. So this condition for what? कौन से के लिए condition ratio वाली जो है वो satisfy होती है intersecting lines के लिए. So these lines are intersecting lines, and if they are intersect at a point, that means it has a unique solution. That means that is consistent. Right? Similarly, कोई और देख लेते हैं. Yes, number 3. 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y equals to 7, and second equation 9x minus 10y equals to 14. Okay, now a1 upon a2. a1 is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 upon a2. a2 is 9. Now we know that this is our numerator, right? And this denominator of numerator goes to denominator. So 3 upon 9 into 2. 3 3s are 9. So it will be 1 by 6. Okay? b1 upon b2. b1 is 5 by 3 upon b2. b2 is minus 10. So it will be minus 5 upon 10 into 3. 5 2s are 10. See, 1 upon minus 6, यानी minus 1 by 6. See, 1 by 6 minus 1 by 6 not equal. So again intersecting lines and therefore consistent. Okay, intersecting lines, that means consistent. ठीक है. So remaining sums जो है वो आप होमवर्क में कर सकते हो, नंबर 2, 4 and 5th, right? So your today's homework is question number 3, number 2, 4 and 5th, and complete class work in notebook. Okay, so this is your today's homework, right? So see you next lecture with the next number 4. Till then, goodbye, take care.